All right, welcome to Creator Hardware, where today we're going to talk about the Asus ProArt display 27-inch in 1440p. We're going to change perspectives from what we normally do because, well, the monitor is right there. All right, so one of the things when you're video editing, and I've run into this where simply a lens change. I was filming a 2-camera setup with a kit lens on my A6600 and a pancake lens on my A6400. And the color tones, especially the contrast, was very different. So you need to have a very color accurate monitor to correct for that. If your monitor doesn't have the true colors of what you will see when you put it out on the web, you know, somebody else's display is going to show something funky. Like a lot of times you'll see, you know, this looks really blue on the camera. On your monitor, it looks purple. It looks kind of, you know, magenta. Many things where the color that you think you're looking at doesn't show up on your screen. So you want a color accurate monitor. That's the reason I went with the ProArt. ProArt is a color accurate monitor. They're designed for what we do, content creation. Now, is this a great gaming monitor? No. It doesn't have a super fast refresh rate, but it does have very accurate colors. This is the chart that comes with it. It is Kalman verified. It has your serial number on it, and it gives you a measurement value of everything this monitor has as far as accuracy. Now the 1440 isn't expensive. Now you get up to the 4K displays, yeah, they get really expensive. But for 1440, I paid $300 for that. For a 27-inch IPS display that is very color accurate. That's why I bought it, because of the color accuracy. When I go to color correct a video, I know what I'm seeing is what the video actually is. Like if you look right here, I have, well, 3 different monitors. And I can tell you I can move video from here to here to here and get 3 different colors. Now I've gotten this is a ViewSonic Elite that I've gotten close to the ProArt. It's not exact, but it's close. This old HP 27-inch, horrible. Definitely don't recommend that monitor if you're doing anything but, well, web surfing and stuff like that. And it costs like 50 bucks less than that monitor. So I don't recommend that monitor. But the ProArt, with all of its IPS goodness, allows you to color accurately correct your video. So when you put it out, you don't have a blue looking purple or a purple looking blue. One of the things I had to do on a video that I had a very bright purple in, it was a toolbox, and I had to color correct it because otherwise it looked blue. It's just the nature of the beast. I can't say enough good things about the ProArt in 1440. One little hiccup with it, which might affect, you know, your ability to use it, is it does not ship with a DisplayPort cable. It ships with HDMI. Plugged in via HDMI, I did not get 1440. It would not identify it as a 1440 panel. It got some weird in-between display resolution between 1080p and 1440. I don't remember exactly what it was, but it wasn't 1440. The fix for it was directly using DisplayPort. So if you're gonna buy one of these, go ahead and order a DisplayPort cable, and hopefully you have a DisplayPort in your PC. I do, so it's not a big deal. I'm on DisplayPort on 2 monitors and HDMI on the other one. But just a little quirk. I don't know why that it did that. I don't know whether it was a quirk of connecting that panel to my 2080 Super, or it was just, I don't know. But that's been the only complaint I've had on it. Definitely if you want a color accurate edit experience, I can't recommend the ProArt display enough. It is just a gorgeous panel. Now obviously I have it pole mounted. I've got a pole behind here. It comes with a very nice stand, which I don't know what happened to it. Probably got thrown away because I wasn't going to use it, but I don't have it here to pull out. But it's definitely a phenomenal monitor. Are there better monitors out there? Oh, absolutely, but not at this price point. I have two ViewSonic monitors here. I have the Elite, and then I've got another 1440 gaming monitor. And those are decent as far as colors, but they're $500 plus for each of them versus $300 for the Asus ProArt. So it is a deal and a half to get this monitor. Now I had to wait a while. My original plan for this PC was to have 3 ProArt monitors here. And unfortunately, well, I couldn't get them for one thing, and two, I already spent a lot of money, so I dealt with what I had. Now since then I've added the ProArt as a third monitor, which I'd always intended to do. I'd always intended to have 3 monitors because I like screen real estate. In case you can't tell, I like multiple monitors. So if you're looking for a monitor to do video editing, color correction, I just cannot say enough good things about the Asus ProArt. As always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.